Hey everybody, this is Mike, the Big Rock Railway. This is layout update number 7. So, on the last update, I showed you that I had made the templates with a newspaper. I'm going to make a cardboard elevation everywhere so that I can get an artificial curb for the road. So, this is what I've done now. Taken the templates off of the layout and put them onto cardboard. So I'm just going to tape them down so they don't move and then cut them. So, now that I've got everything lined out, just wanted to point out what I was doing. Taking that marker, this marker, and painting half on the newspaper, half off the newspaper. So therefore, I'm getting an outline of what my cardboard shape should be. And I just have to, of course, just fill in the spaces where the tape was. There are my 4 templates. And then, just take X-Acto knife, cut them out. And then, you're cutting on the inside of the lens. There we go. A little bit of shaping here to what the exact shape is. Okay. So this goes right here. Don't mind that line, that's the old line for the road. Yeah, in between the other side and this side, I'm going to plaster here and plaster up in here. So it's going to look like a small curb. So yeah, that's my plan. This is update number 7. Thanks for watching. Man, that was bright. Holy smokes. Give you guys another look here.
And the lighting is really bad with this camera, I know. But this is how it's coming along. Look forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna wake up and put the cardboard on. Probably finish cutting it out tonight. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Big Rock Railway. This is Mike, signing off. Stay young, have fun, love trains.